Today's topic, double displacement reaction. Take 3 ml sodium sulfate solution in a test tube. Take 3 ml barium chloride solution. Mix 2 solutions. We get a white precipitate. In this activity, we take about 3 ml sodium sulfate solution and 3 ml barium chloride solution. Then mix these two solutions. We get a white precipitate. What is the color of the precipitate formed by the reaction between sodium sulfate and barium chloride? Color of the precipitate? White. What is precipitate? Precipitate means an insoluble substances formed by a chemical reaction is known as precipitate. Sodium sulfate reacts with barium chloride to form two products, namely barium sulfate and sodium chloride. How is this formed? Let us see. In sodium sulfate, sodium exists as a positive ion, that is cation. Sulfate acts as negative ion, that is anion. Similarly, in barium chloride, barium ion acts as cation and chloride anion. Here, the positive part of sodium sulfate, that is sodium ion, combines with the negative part of barium chloride, that is chloride. Sodium ion combines with the chloride ion of barium chloride to form sodium chloride. Similarly, the positive part of barium chloride, that is barium 2 plus ion, combines with the negative part of sodium sulfate. Negative part of sodium sulfate, sulfate, to form barium sulfate. Here, the reaction takes place by the exchange of ion. Is it correct? Then another example. Reaction of lead nitrate with the potassium iodide. Lead nitrate reacts with the potassium iodide to form potassium iodide and lead nitrate. Here we get yellow precipitate. Here the reaction takes place by the same way, that is the exchange of ions. In lead nitrate, Pb acts as cation and NO3 minus anion. Similarly, in potassium iodide, potassium acts as positive part, that is cation, and iodide acts as negative ion, that is anion. The positive ion of lead nitrate, that is Pb2+, combines with the negative ion of Ki, that is I-. Pb combines with the I- to form PbI2. Similarly, positive ion of potassium iodide, that is K+, combines with the negative ion of PbNO3 to form KNO3. Use of. Here, the reaction takes place by the exchange of ions. This type of reactions are known as double displacement reaction. Double displacement means the reaction which takes place by the exchange of ions. I repeat the definition. The reaction which takes place by the exchange of ions are known as double displacement reaction. It is also known as precipitation reaction because in double displacement reaction, precipitate is formed. In first case, we get a white precipitate of barium sulfate. In second case, we get yellow precipitate of PbI2. So it is known as precipitation reaction. What is precipitation reaction? Any reaction that produces precipitate is called the precipitation reaction. Double displacement reaction is also called precipitation reaction because in double displacement reaction precipitate is formed. So it is called the precipitation reaction. And now we learn 2 points. First, definition of double displacement reaction. How can we define double displacement reaction? Double displacement reaction means the reaction which takes place by the exchange of ions. Double displacement reaction is also known as precipitation reaction. Why it is known as precipitation reaction? Because precipitate formed by this reaction. So it is known as precipitation reaction. What is precipitate? An insoluble substance formed by a reaction is known as precipitate. Clear? Then, how can we differentiate displacement reaction and double displacement reaction? Can you give the differences of displacement reaction and double displacement reaction? First point, definition for displacement and double displacement reaction. Definition of displacement reaction: more reactive element displaces less reactive element from its compound. Double displacement, the reaction which takes place by the exchange of ions. Next point, displacement reaction is a slow reaction, but double displacement is a fast reaction. Then third point, in displacement reaction color change occurs. You know the activity of copper sulfate and iron nail. The blue color changes to green. In displacement reaction color change occurs, but in double displacement reaction precipitate is formed. So it is known as precipitation reaction. Then fourth point, example for displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. How can we differentiate displacement and double displacement reaction? First point, definition for displacement and double displacement. Second point, displacement reaction is slow but double displacement is fast. Third point, color change occurs in displacement reaction, but in double displacement reaction precipitate is formed. Then fourth point, example for displacement and double displacement reaction. Okay.